Good evening, everybody. It is 4 on the night. Kyra got her little fit on. Looking like a short glass of water.
Y'all, my shirt is wrinkled and I'm
short glass of water.
I hate that my shirt is wrinkled.
It looks good.
Okay, because our spray that we have, like our wrinkle spray, didn't work on this fabric and there's no laundry room.
It looks good.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So tonight we're having dinner in the main dining room with the trifecta.
Yeah.
You already know. So we're gonna go to deck 3 aft and we're gonna have a good time.
Yep. We gotta walk through Central Park and then go down.
Oh, that'll be nice.
So you guys can see what Central Park looks like at nighttime.
Oh, we didn't show them?
No, I don't think we did. Alright guys, so this is Central Park. It's a little windy outside, but it's alright. Because, well, actually no. It just creates a vacuum when the door opens. It's nice and calm and collected out here.
I gotta take some time to look at my man because, baby, he's looking nice tonight. Come on. Give me a pose. Oh, don't hurt him. He looks so nice, you guys. I love when Aaron dresses up. He doesn't like to dress up often, but I appreciate when he does because I like it. He looks very handsome.
Well, thank you, baby.
All right, let's go to dinner. We're late.
Yep.
But I wanted to show you guys here in Central Park. They have live music and stuff here. So you see they have chairs set up and stuff. This is just a gorgeous area. Do you like it better at night? Or
It's a vibe.
it's different at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
If you got a honey, you can take it. Hold her by the hand. Take on
And here
one.
we go. Ew.
My shoes are not even cold. That's a brand out the room.
This is another dinner, trifecta dinner.
This is how we do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is how we do
You
it.
all dressed in
Try not to show the shoes. Thank you. Because I ran out the room and didn't get to close my shoes up. Bridget usually closes my shoes up.
I will close your shoes very shortly.
They never disappoint. Mwah. All right. Here is the entrance to the dining room. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. We've got a little seating area over here. I'm not sure where we're going to be sitting. We're waiting to be seated right now. But look at this gorgeous dining room. 3 levels. We'll show you more once we walk in to get seated. But gorgeous dining room. Headed to the table.
Yeah. Time
We're
to
being
eat.
seated. I'm hungry. Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely hungry.
famished.
Yeah. Look at this dining room. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, definitely a big dining room. Looks like we're going to the back.
Good evening.
That's right. Come in. Thank you.
That's kind of forward. It's just grilled cheese.
So I left the wine out there, right? But I'm not the only one that left something out there.
What one is that?
I got cod and salmon on a bed of rice,
Tonight we are
spinach,
doing
and
New York strip steak,
cherry
medium
or
rare
what is
with
it?
a big potato and no veggies.
Cherry
And this
tomatoes?
time, I actually
Yep.
got Doesn't it look good?
Yep. And Kyra got.
The waiter said, "Doesn't it look beautiful? Just like you." Did you hear he said that? He said, when he put the plate down, I said, "Ooh, it looks good." He said, "It's beautiful, just like you."
I don't know why he said that right there. Why he talking about right like that right there?
I said, "Thank you, a meal and a compliment."
I get real gangster in here when she talk like that. My wife right there, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't play that right here. I'ma
okay.
handle mine, cuz.
Oh, all right.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'ma handle mine.
No.
They don't
All
like
right.
me as much, and so they just.
We just
I
got our
don't have
dessert.
my relationship,
I just
and
sort
I
of
was like,
on my own free will.
it's not for lack of trying.
Crumble.
Because
All right, what did you get?
Addie, can you help me, please?
I was gonna say, you guys got the Grand Marnier souffle.
Grand
Grand Marnier. Yes.
Marnier.
Yes.
Right.
Marnier.
I was going to say, if you didn't mind, you should probably
I didn't
send
get any
it
from
back.
Roy.
No,
Because it's fallen. Yeah.
and it's not supposed to be
And it's
like
not supposed
that.
to be. It's still supposed to be kind of risen like hers.
These are the perks of having a chef at the table. Because I would look at this and be like, well, let's see.
So
Going
it
to the
will
mic.
still taste good. It just may taste a little eggier.
Thank you so much.
No, oh
And-
no, I don't want
And
that.
it
I
may
definitely
taste,
don't want
it's not
that.
going to be fluffy like the one you had on Disney.
Meanwhile,
That was like,
Yeah.
okay.
So,
Trouble.
on you. Totally on you. You may want to. She looked at you, look like her now. You look like Jasmine now.
this looks really good.
You got the better dessert. Yeah, yes, over there.
Main dining room is a yes for Aaron.
All around.
Okay, so we
I
just
pick winners. I just pick winners.
we just have to order what Aaron orders.
I pick winners.
All right, I see what you
I
did.
guess he liked
Aaron's
it.
selection of the day.
Kyra.
Oh,
It was a flop. It was a flop.
that was adorable.
It was very eggy, so it's
Yeah.
gonna be a no.
I can't.
I'm nothing on Disney.
I tried to warn you.
We're running late for dinner. We're running late for the show tonight. The name of the show is Tap Factory, and I will pull up some information on it for you all. This show is an explosive, high-octane show that merges percussion, acrobatics, hip-hop, music, urban tap, dance, and comedy. So we are on the way. We are like 7 minutes late, but we on the way. Tap Factory, Energy Machine. We're late. Let's go. We are here at the Royal Theater. It's showtime.
Boy, if you don't get...
All right, everybody, we just left the tap dance show. We thought that silent disco started at 11, but it turns out it starts at 11:45. But right now I guess it's moderate to. Thanks so much, man. Appreciate it. So, yeah. So we're just waiting on the disco to start. So we're just sitting here chilling until then. I think the tap dance show just got out. It was cool. It was okay.
I didn't like it. Like the man doing the acrobatics was incredibly talented. The guy that was like the contortionist, when we were in the theater, Aaron was like, "This is my sleep paralysis demon."
Oh, yeah.
And that's really what it like. I was scared by that. I wasn't very much entertained. I was more scared. And the tap dancing was cool, but there's only so much tap dancing in that way that they presented it that I would want to see. So it's going to be a no from me. I'm just being honest. But I'm ready for this silent party. Okay, it is 11:50. Give my man credit where credit is due. Honey, take your credit.
I'm here.
Take your credit. He is here. I'm proud of him. But y'all, if my man wants to go to sleep early, then that's what he can do. Because everyone can cruise their own way. Remember that. There's no wrong way to cruise. So, we're on the way to the disco party. We just stopped and saw Tony and Jenny, and I could cry. I'm so happy to have finally met Jenny. She's a beautiful person, a beautiful soul, and I'm so happy. So we are here at the silent party. There's a line. Aaron's talking to friends. There's a line. We're about to have some fun. All right. Thank you. I got green. What color are you gonna get? You can change it, but I got green. Oh my God, it's packed in here, y'all.
Guys, everybody here is having a good time. You can choose from either blue or green. Blue and green, they represent two different DJs that are playing two different tracks, two different mixes and whatnot. And those that are green are hearing the same thing, those that are blue are hearing the same thing. And everybody's dancing to the song that suits their fancy. Gotta try it out.
We are in Labadee, Haiti.
I am so ready to do this zip line.
But guys, look at how beautiful this is.